the relationship between drugs and alcohol use among seafarers and the prevalence of sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, or STIs. It's important to tackle this topic. Several factors to contribute these connections is like high-risk behaviors, impaired judgment, alcohol and drugs use often lower inhibitions and impaired judgment, leading to the risky sexual behaviors such as unprotected sex. Minsan daw nakakalimutan na natin sa sobrang lasing natin. So, sa sobrang paggamit ng pinagbabawal na gamot like drugs, nakakalimutan na gawin yung safe practice, safe sex. Like, didn't use condoms and to protect you from this kind of disease. And casual encounters or engaging with a commercial sex workers. So kung yung mga mga nakikita mo na mga babae and gusto mo laging ganun, titikman ganun, or gusto mo makipag sexual intercourse, so yun, kailangan mong piliin kung sino, or kailangan mong mag safe practice, safe sex. Yan. Transactional sex. Seafarers, due to their long period away from home in port cities, may be more likely to engage in transactional or casual sex, which increase the risk of STD transmission. Yung daw nila, yung urge na kapag malayo ka sa pamilya mo or malayo ka sa partner mo, dun nalabas yung transactional sex, like bibigyan mo ng pera yung babae para makipagtalik sa'yo. So yun, dahil doon nakakuha tayo ng sakit kagaya nito. Number 2 is work environment. Isolation and loneliness. Prolonged isolation at sea can lead to psychological stress. Some seafarers use alcohol or drugs to cope, which may influence their sexual decision making when ashore. So yun, nakaka-apekto daw yung alcohol or drugs para magkaroon tayo na clear mind or tamang pag-iisip patungkol dito sa topic natin. Access to alcohol and drugs. Port often have the access to cheap alcohol and drugs, making substance use more prevalent among seafarers. So paggamit daw ng ganitong uri ng gamot or alcohol is common daw sa mga nagbabarko or seafarers. 3 is health and prevention challenges. Limited healthcare access. Seafaring often lack of consistent access to healthcare and STD prevention resources like condoms or education programs. Stigma and confidentially concern. Fear of a stigma and repercussions may deter safer from seafarers seeking medical advice or treatment for STDs. So nakakatulong daw ang early detection. Magpapatas ka lagi. So yun, kakulangan daw ng pagkakaroon nito is can lead to severe STDs. So yun lamang po. Thank you.